Keith Woodfield here, talking to people. And Keith's son there brought him today. I've just heard he's selling the Metro, which he bought about 2 or 3 years ago. He hasn't been well. He's showing all the books this time. He's showing. John's books. That's John here. It is on the left. But there we are, opposite Cofton Park, where the rally should normally take place, but it's rained off. Keith used to work at the factory till 1990. Used to be a regular visitor to these various events. But this is how once a year, normally, weather permitting. Meanwhile, lovely old MGB passing here. A lot of people here. The main MG showroom is up there. Over 75 there. Various cars built at the factory here.